losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back.
OnePlus Ace 2 Pro just launched before 2 days. New fast refresh rate, 1.5K OLED display, flagship processor, Sony 50 megapixel triple camera setup, 24GB RAM, huge battery, fast charging and many more. Today I'm gonna show you unboxing and first impression of the OnePlus Ace 2 Pro. Hey guys, Maiky from techmaiky. Please consider subscribing, turning on the notification by hitting that bell icon for more amazing tech video. Let's now get to the unboxing. We are looking at the top version of OnePlus Ace 2 Pro with 24 gigs of RAM and massive 1TB storage. Now let's open the box. The first thing we see in the cardboard box. We will leave the phone aside for the moment. We find a super fast 150 watt power adapter. It can charge your phone quicker. Inside the cardboard box, we have a clear case to protect the phone, OnePlus stickers, and a SIM ejector tool and a friendly welcome letter. Let's talk about the way it looks. The OnePlus Ace 2 Pro looks similar to the rest of the model released this year. Whether this design is good or not doesn't really matter now. This design has become a recognizable part of the product family identity. The overall style hasn't been altered. There have been a few changes in the specific area. For instance, the lens module block has a colored ring that matches the back cover. The four lenses stand out on their own and have a raised CD pattern. In terms of details, the Ace 2 Pro has become more refined. The color of the device is officially named Aurora Green. It's a common glossy glass finish. The green tone gives a cool vibe. The lens module design matches with the same green CD pattern. When you see the OnePlus Ace 2 Pro under the bright light, it sparkles. I think this treatment is quite nice. If possible, pairing this glossy design with the metal frame and would improve it even more. That's pretty much all about the appearance changes of the OnePlus Ace 2 Pro. There are some improvements over the previous generation Pro that I would like to highlight. Firstly, this screen uses a material called BOE-Q9+. The significant advantage, it supports a 2160Hz high frequency PWM dimming. This time it's a native support, so there is no separate switch needed. This brings the benefits like the high frequency dimming and better adaptability to different environment. Finally, you can use the member at low brightness simultaneously without any issue. The changes in the screen material allows the OnePlus Ace 2 Pro to reach a maximum brightness of 1200 nits and a peak brightness of 1600 nits. You might not notice this brightness in regular condition, but under the bright sunlight, you will see the better visual performance. This screen upgrades whether it's about resolution or brightness. It's quite substantial compared to the previous generation. I believe that once you have this device, you will easily notice this difference. Let's focus on its performance. The standard upgrade in the Ace 2 Pro is all about performance. It switches from Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 to 8 Gen 2, but that's just a normal change. The most eye-catching improvement is definitely the top tier specifications. 24GB of combined with the 1TB of storage. This storage might even exceed what many people have on their computer. It's a number that might seem unusual when it appears on the phone. You might wonder if such a large amount of memory is necessary for using a phone now. It might seem a bit puzzling at the first glance, but consider it as a part of product identity. These days, most people think that the 12 gigs of RAM is sufficient and 24 gigs definitely seems like an excess. However, it's a choice for those who don't like to changing their devices every year. It offers a top performance chip for extending the overall lifespan of this device. This time, the OnePlus Ace 2 Pro also supports the memory gen recombination technology, which gives the phone the ability to handle the background task exceptionally well. I am a heavy gamer. I have got the OnePlus Ace 2 Pro ready for intense gaming marathon along with the other activities like watching social videos, reading news and novels. I have also got 7 carefully selected games lined up. When I start all of these tasks simultaneously, the advantage of having 24GB of processing memory become clear. It can handle everything for a very long time. Even if I turn off the screen for a while, I won't experience issue with this app getting shut down in the background. We have also set up a platform for 30 commonly used apps in the background. Switching between them is smooth with no noticeable delay. With this ample memory and strong performance, I can keep playing without any interruption. The heat dissipation area is quite large, measuring 9140 square millimeter. This is significant increase compared to the typical mainstream mobile phones which usually have the 5000 square millimeter of heat dissipation area. Let's put the performance to the test, starting with the Antutu benchmark. The OnePlus Ace 2 Pro achieved an impressive score of 16,54,147 points. In a Geekbench 6, it got 2037 points, and a single score and 5545 points for the multi-core performance. This score places in the fast category of the devices using the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. So how does this performance translate when playing games? We tested the game in the room with the temperature of 26 degrees Celsius. In honor of King Ultra HD 120 fps setting, after half an hour, the highest temperature reaches was 37 degrees. The average frame rate was 118.9 frames per second and the power consumption was 10%. For PUBG Mobile, the 90 frames per second after an hour, the maximum temperature reaches was 39 degrees. The average frame rate was 89 frames per second and the power consumption was 13%. In Genshin Impact, with the high image quality setting, after half an hour, highest temperature reaches to 44.5 degrees. The average frame rate was 59.1 frames per second and power consumption was 13%. Overall, the game performance is quite impressive and that doesn't give much cause of concern. The OnePlus Ace 2 Pro also comes with the support for 150 watt fast charging. In our test, it takes only 14 minutes to charge the phone 20% to 100%. This is definitely one of the fastest charging speed available. Another remarkable upgrade is the ultra thin screen fingerprint sensor. Personally, I am really excited about this. The starting price of the OnePlus Ace 2 Pro in China is around 2,999 Chinese yuan, which is roughly 323 UK pound, and the highest variant, 24 gigs of RAM and 1 TB of storage, is priced around 3,999 Chinese yuan, which is approximately 431 pound in UK. So what do you guys think about it? Tell us your thought in the comment section below if you have any questions. Also give this video a thumbs up and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, me signing off. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and keep smiling, and I will see you in the next one.